So good.
They're
Oh,
funny.
this makes me happy.
Magkano order mo dyan?
Ano,
No, she got it from
165.
Pinky.
165, yeah.
Sabi ko sa kanya, patok pa.
I don't know. I just got right down my cousins. I'm not sure. We have to remember my sisters are always always. Bibigyan ko talaga. No, we have test time.
What's this?
We're more Filipino than you guys.
Oh, I thought you don't eat pork.
She's vegan. What's happening?
I know what is happening. You just can't resist it.
Yeah, that's the good stuff right there.
Yes.
Filipinos love lechon.
Have you been living a double life? You've been saying that you're vegan.
She's like, pork's not vegan.
Ano, how is it? Sige na. Ano yan pa? Ano to pa?
Crunchy siya pero ibang klaseng crunchy.
Sige nga, patry nga ito to. Sandali.
Ibang
Try
klaseng
natin.
crunchy niya. Parang makunat na crunchy.
Pero mas okay naman to kasi yung ibang lechon na mukhang crunchy pero talagang,
Are you grabbing
you know?
Jojo or?
Ito tulalagay. Kainin mo na lang. I only took a piece. Hindi ko sa kinagat. May nakahang na.
Akin na nga.
Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda!
Andre, ganyan din bang lulutuin mo sa birthday mo?
Hello! Birthday niya, paglulutunin mo siya ng handa.
Ay, dapat lang.
Family.
Napakasarap na adobo ni Ate Julibet.
Akin yan, ha?
Yan, Lechon Belly. Marami din, di ba?
Ang dami na nga niya.
Oo. 100's not bad. 100, what, 60? Lahat makakain mo.
Oo, kesa yung
Di ba?
parang konti.
It's perfect for a family gathering. Yeah. Ano, gutom na kayo? Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast at lunch. Grabe. Ano to? Kunto.
Sabi ko, lipat parang sa Filipino table.
Huwag naman kayong ganyan. Ay, where's Ate Zani?